everyone, welcome to another Crypto Cult video, and in today's video we will discuss how to participate in the Linea Consensys airdrop. It is almost a confirmed airdrop, and the most important thing is that it is free. In the MetaMask airdrop video, a lot of people complained that we have to pay fees, but in this airdrop you don't have to do anything. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's see how to participate in this airdrop. So this is the article about the Consensys airdrop that you can follow along. The link is in the description. Everything, all the details, all the links will be in this article. So let's get started. What are the steps? Step number 1 is you need to add Linea network to your MetaMask wallet. Now to do that, go to your MetaMask, go to networks and click on add a network. Once you have done that, you need to go and add a network manually. Now what are the information that we are going to fill here? You just need to go to this. This is all the information that you need. You can pause and copy this, or you can go to the article and copy paste this here. So once you have done that, all things you need to fill. Once that's done, the network will be added. I have already added it as I was testing this airdrop. This is the information that I have added. Sometimes you need to add this slash, so don't forget about it. And let's go to the next step. So you have now added the network. You can find this network here, Linea Goril test network. Now the next step is we need to go to the faucet and get some Testnet ETH for us. So what is the faucet? Here is the faucet link, gorilfaucet.com. And when you go there, you need to sign up and paste your address there. So you can get your address from MetaMask. Click here, copy this. Once you have copied this, paste it here, click on send me ETH. Now sometimes this faucet will not work. Reason being, a lot of congestion is here. A lot of people are trying this airdrop. You can use an alternative tool. Just search Gorilla faucet and the second link, Gorilla POW faucet. You can use this. I have checked this personally. You can paste your link here. Click on I am not a robot and start mining. Once you do that, you will get this started. You can increase the number of workers here and the mined Gorilla ETH will come here. I think in around 10 to 15 minutes, you will have enough Go ETH that we can move to the next step. So don't forget this. If the Gorilla faucet is not working, we can use the POW faucet. Hello everyone, editor jargon here. So there is one problem that I did not explain you how to add Gorilla ETH to your MetaMask. For that, what you need to do is go to chainlist.org, connect your wallet here, and after that, click on include testnet, search network GO, it will send you Gorilla ETH. Click on add to MetaMask, approve on MetaMask, and it will be added. Okay, so we have done 2 steps now. After getting the Gorilla ETH, we need to go and bridge our Gorilla ETH to Linea ETH. Okay, we already added Linea network. Now we need to add some funds to the Linea network using the Gorilla testnet ETH. So to do that, we need to go to a bridge. Here, click on this bridge. You go to Hop Exchange. Here you need to connect your wallet and switch to Gorilla ETH. So I have already done that. I have around 10 ETH here, as you can see. So you can send any amount here. Just make sure you have some left for the fee. So I have already sent some here. So I'll just show you the step. If I say bridge 0.05 Gorilla ETH here, just click on send, and it will ask you to pay the fees, confirm, and it will happen. Now this takes 10 to 15 minutes. So wait for it. Do not panic. And once the process is done, we will get some ETH to us. So my process has already started. The ETH has been deducted from my account.
A few moments later.
And it will appear here as Lin ETH. I already have some Lin ETH because I've already bridged for shooting the video. So let's continue. What's the next step? We need to go to the swap and connect our wallet. So this is the swap link. Just click on this. And we need to convert our Lin ETH to CRWE. Okay, so you go there, you can select ETH here. This will be the Lin ETH, and you can select the Consensys rollup WE. So in this way, if I want to swap some of it, let's just swap something for the video. 0.1 ETH I'll swap with CRWE, and you can just click on it, confirm from the MetaMask, and the swapping will start. And the swapped ETH will be shown as this ETH. So this was 0.4. I have now 0.5. And once the swap is done, this is the next step, but this step is not working right now for some reason. The step was that you need to go to the pool, click on V2 Liquidity and add V2 Liquidity, and we needed to add this pair in liquidity, but the pair is showing invalid right now. So we need to find some other way to add some pool liquidity. So to do that, just go back, click on this bridge link again. This will open up Hop Exchange again, and we can just go to the pool and do it with some other pair. So this is the ETH Linea pool. Let's click on add liquidity. So we have WETH, we need to add HETH. Click on preview and click on deposit. Add a spending cap. I'll just give it to max since it's testnet ETH. And now we wait. Again, it will ask us to confirm and add liquidity process will start. So we'll wait for it to confirm. Let's go to the next step. That is click on Ghost NFT link and connect your MetaMask wallet. So let's go to Ghost NFT, and here we need to connect our wallet and select zkEVM. So make sure that zkEVM is there. And now we wait for some NFTs to load. Okay, so the NFTs are here. Now click on Explore NFT, click on Collateral and Mint NFTs. So let's add collateral. So it is in CRWE. Let's add 0.05 as collateral. Collateralize it, confirm on MetaMask, and while this is happening, let's check on our liquidity. It is now complete. Click on done, and this should be over. And now the NFT is done, liquidity is done. Let's go back and do this with all the NFT collection. Just click on Explore NFT and add a collateral. So let's do this here also, 0.5 collateralize, again approve it on MetaMask, and so on. So as much NFT as you want, do it. We don't know which one will work, so since it's free, do it as much as you want. Now click on form link and share your experience while testing this testnet. So let's go to the form link. This is the form link, and here we need to fill this form. Now you can fill it with whatever you faced. So I've filled everything, and let's just click submit. The final step is join the Consensys Discord community for future updates. So here is the Discord community. You can also join our Telegram community because we will be updating there too. So this is Discord. Let's accept the invite, and that should be done. Another step, if you are looking to add on the Uniswap pool, you can just swap some Linea ETH with some CRUSDC. Let's say 0.1 ETH. It will fetch this many USDC. So let's swap. Confirm swap, click on confirm, wait for transaction to get submitted, and now I have some CRUSDC. Click on pool, V2 Liquidity, add V2 Liquidity, select a token, select CRUSDC here. Let's say 0.1 ETH we have here. Let's add 10,000 USDC, approve, click on max, next, confirm, and this will add you to the Uniswap pool. So this is everything about Linea Consensys airdrop. It is almost a confirmed airdrop. The steps are very simple. It's totally free. You do not need to pay anything, even in transaction fees, because it is happening on a testnet. So what are the tips from our airdrop hunter at CryptoCult? Number one, try to do these steps every week. Just take out 5 minutes, because once you have done all the setup, you don't need to bridge everything. Just need to add some liquidity and mint some NFTs. So try to do this every week. Stay connected on Discord and follow what is happening with them. And number 3, join our Telegram channel. It's totally free, and any update regarding any airdrop, even the ones we don't make videos about, we will share there. So that's everything you need to know. And one final step, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. गोरी प्लग खींच नीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट में कैसीन जैसे गिल्टीन रगो मैं बैरनी कटील नशीला